Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk EGR valve used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You should be able to see the EGR valve and its inlet conduit. There are a multitude of symptoms linked to an EGR breakdown: loss of power, injection issues, appearance of warning lights. To access your EGR valve, you have to first remove several elements. Using a flat head screwdriver, lift the throttle body inlet conduit retaining clip. Then move the conduit aside. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 4 throttle body retaining screws. Then disconnect the body. To do this, pull on the red tab, then pull on the connector. Disconnect the EGR valve. To do this, pull on the yellow tab and pull on the connector.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Using a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 screws holding the EGR valve, then finish with the spanner. You can now remove the EGR valve. As the metal conduit and the engine block/EGR valve connection are probably dirty, so don't hesitate to clean them to make the most of the performance of your new EGR valve. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new EGR valve and the new seal. Put the new seal in place. Install the new EGR valve. Then screw the screws back in. One of the screws is difficult to access. Take a piece of paper towel and fold it in 4s. Lay it flat on the socket, then insert the head of the nut, forcing it into the socket. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Reconnect the valve's electrical connections. Reconnect the throttle body electrical connector. Put the throttle body back in place. Then screw the screws back in. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Put the click clamp back in place. Reconnect the inlet pipe. Put the engine cover back on. Operation completed.